library, here for Books and Bubbles. Today we will be reading How Do Dinosaurs Play with Their Friends by Jane Yolen and Mark Teague. Do you like dinosaurs? I do. I hope these are nice dinosaurs though, because sometimes dinosaurs can be loud and mean. We gotta find out. But first, can you do a big dinosaur roar for me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! That sounded like a tiger, not a dinosaur. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Are you ready? So am I. Let me turn on my bubble machine so we can get the bubbles flowing. Hold on 1 second. I see them. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. All right, are we ready for How Do Dinosaurs Play with Their Friends? What if a dinosaur's friends come to play? Does he mope? Does he pout if he can't get his way? Does he hide all of his dump trucks, refusing to share? Does he throw his friends' coloring books in the air? Oh, I hope not. That's not a nice friend. Does he hoggle the swings and the sandbox and slides? Does he not give his friends any tricycle rides? Uh-oh, those guys are not being nice. No, a dinosaur doesn't. He knows how to play. Yes. He treats everyone in the friendliest way. He shares all of his toys and gives turns on his bike. His friends get first choice for the games that they like. He listens, then asks, "Would you like one more turn?" What a nice friend. Those sound like nice dinosaurs. Good friend, little dinosaur. And the little girl's giving them a hug, and the little boy. How nice. Did you enjoy that book? I did. It's one of my favorites. Check out more dinosaur books by Jane Yolen at the library. Have a good day. Enjoy your bubbles.